Helpdesk delegation is useful only when protected identities stay protected. SmartPT AD Control keeps Tier 0 accounts out of delegated workflows. In AD Control settings, Jim reviews the operator assignments. David has advanced support Tier 2 access, but that access still respects protection boundaries. The protection settings show two important controls: protected users and protected groups. Tier 0 users are protected by default, and additional identities can be added here. Protected groups also cover membership through group nesting. If a user is effectively part of a protected group, SmartPT keeps that identity hidden from Tier 1 and Tier 2 actions. Now David signs in as a delegated Tier 2 operator. He can perform approved support work, but he does not receive broad Active Directory administration rights. David searches for Jim, a protected privileged identity. SmartPT does not expose the account for Helpdesk action and clearly marks the search as protected. When David searches for Avi, a standard user, the account appears normally. This contrast shows that SmartPT blocks protected identities while keeping normal support workflows available. SmartPT Core provides visibility into AD control access and administrative activity, so operators and product activity can be reviewed from the central console. Tier 0 protection is the safety boundary behind AD control. Helpdesk teams can work through delegated workflows while privileged identities remain protected.